Hello guys, welcome to PyQuant. Here I'm back with another interesting problem. It's a simple interest and compound interest problem. It was asked in SBI PO 2008. The question goes like the difference between simple interest and compound interest accrued on an amount of rupees 19,200 at the end of 3 years at the rate 12 PC per PA. As you can see here, this is nothing but rate of interest, that is 12 percentage. As you can see the options, it's a bit scary because they're huge numbers and asked decimals are four numbers. After decimal there are four numbers, so we'll try our best to make this simpler, right? So let us get into the problem. In general, as you know, compound interest, which is here interest not amount, it is given that after for 3 years, at the end of 3 years. So this is amount, we want interest, right? So P, this is compound interest at the end of 3 years. What is simple interest? PTR by 100. P, T is 3 years, R by 100. Now here given difference between simple interest and compound interest, right? So obviously CI is greater than SI. So a cube a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, we resolve into simpler terms. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus p, right? From here we resolve this bracket as well. P r cube by 3pr by 100 plus 3pr square by 100 square minus p. SI is nothing but this value, so minus 3pr by 100. So that is how we have derived a formula for a difference between simple compound interest and simple interest for 3 years. This is the formula, right? So P minus P, 3p by 100 minus 3 by p by 100 cancel. So we are left with PRQ by 100 cube plus 3PR square by 100 square. So if we take the common terms, we get PR square by 100 square. If we take common, we are left by R by 100 plus 3. So if anybody asks you, or if it is better to remember this formula, this difference between compound and interest and simple interest for 3 years. This is the formula, P r square by 100 square bracket r by 100 plus 3. Now it is just substituting values. As we know, amount P is given as rupees 19,200. Obviously we need not put 3 years value because already we have put in formula. So rate of interest is nothing but 12 percentage. So we need to substitute this here in the formula, that is difference is nothing but 19 12 by 100 plus 3. As you can know, this is nothing but 0.12 cancellation. So here if you put this into decimal, 1.92 into 12 square into 3 plus 0.12 is nothing but this one. So as you can see, these bombastic values, see these are so big. How to derive that formula from here? Not formula, that this among 1 from this. How to derive that? That is the tricky one. One is nearer to 700, one, and the remaining three are nearer to 800. So how we can at least get the approximate value? We'll not get the exact number like up to decimal after 4 digits, but in exam time we do not get that time to solve that. So here is the trick to solve this huge number. That is, we take approximation here. 12 square is nothing but 144 plus 3.12. So here, this is a 144. We'll keep it set as 144 itself, and here 1.92, as it is nearer to 2. We are going to increase this value by 0.08. That is nothing but 2. And here we're going to decrease this value. We'll take approximate value as 3. We are increasing this and we are decreasing this value parallelly, so that we could get the nearest value. So we take 3. So we're going to get the approximate value. 144 into 6 is nothing but, it approximately we got as 864, because we have increased one value by 0.08 and other value we have decreased by 0.12. So that is how we have got this approximate value as 364. So if we look at the options here, 722 no, 798 no, 802. So option D is the right option. See how this SBI PO 2008 question problem was asked. You need not afraid of looking at the option, so we can get the approximate value. That is how we got arrived to this number. I hope you have all enjoyed this problem solving and understood this problem. Thank you.